Hi, I'm Sean Wagner. I'm a lieutenant paramedic for East Paris Fire Rescue, and I'm stationed out at Station 112. When this station was first built back in 1976, the same year I was born, it was never meant to house firefighters. It was merely built for the purpose of housing apparatus. At the time, they didn't have the call volume to have everyday firefighters living here. Because the living quarters were built back in the late 90s and it was kind of a 5-year plan, it was hastily built. The privacy and the gender neutrality were not in our thoughts when we modified the station. And unfortunately, we also didn't take into account firefighters' sleeping habits. Through the research, we understand that we breathe in a lot of toxins. We take a lot of our scenes that we go to and we bring it back with us, either on our gear, on our apparatus, on the equipment that we use. We have our bunker gear that is with us and we are exposed to it, unfortunately, for the duration of our shift. There is no modifications that can be made. We are at its full capacity on the lot size that we have. With a recent study that we did at Station 112, we looked at the ability to us respond if there is any kind of seismic activity. The engineers say with a very small amount of seismic activity, the likelihood we'll have at least a partial collapse of Station 112. It's pretty humbling to know that when the time comes that our citizens will probably need us the most, that we will not be able to respond to their needs. Proposition 1 will replace Station 112.